Hello, I'm Prashant, and today's topic is modern portfolio theory. So, modern portfolio theory was developed by Harry Markowitz in 1952, and it is a framework to maximize return for a given level of risk by combining assets effectively in a portfolio. So, it is also known by us as diversification. It's simply not putting all our eggs in the same basket. It it helps as the negative implication of one stock can be offset by addition of another stock, and the portfolio resulting portfolio becomes more stable. Now the effective frontier is a curve that shows the best possible portfolio, meaning that for a given level of risk it can tell us the highest return that we can get, and for a given level of return it can tell the lowest risk that we need to see. So all points on this curves are the efficient points. All points below the curves are inefficient, as well as all points above the curve are impossible themselves. The application of it in strategic asset allocation is that it is based on the investor tolerance. If he wants more debt or more equity, if he is more risk averse, then he shall have more equity. If he is very cautious about the amount of risk that he should take, then he should be adding more debt to his portfolio. Like in 2008 and 2020 crisis, those people with the gold and debt fund, those mutual funds with the gold and debt funds, saw reduced drawdown due to the diversified protected capital. So in conclusion, like Harry Markowitz said, diversification is the only free lunch in investing. It is the one way that we can decrease our systematic risk, and one of the best ways to increase our margins. Thank you.